Tips and tricks to end your snoring. Perhaps you feel that snoring has become the bane of your existence. This can happen if snoring causes irritation to your partner, sleepless nights, raised tempers and arguments. Take a look at the tips below to find some suggestions for reducing or eliminating this annoyance so you both can get a good night's sleep. If you regularly take prescription muscle relaxers or pain medications, you might be faced with chronic snoring. If at all possible, avoid taking these medications in the hours before you get ready for bed. These drugs cause your muscles to become more relaxed, especially in your airways. As a result, it becomes more difficult to breathe, which leads to snoring. One way to help keep from snoring is to avoid tranquilizers at bedtime. While tranquilizers might help you sleep faster, they will also relax the muscles that hold your nasal passages fully open. They will contract partially, and air will have a harder time getting through, and you will snore. If you snore, sew a tennis ball on the backside of your shirt. The reason for this is that it will prevent you from sleeping on your back, which is the main position that a person snores in. If you do not have a tennis ball, you could use a baseball. Do not eat a meal just before bed. Having a full stomach can put pressure on your lungs and throat, which can in turn cause snoring. To stop this from happening, do not eat for roughly an hour before you go to bed. Not only will you sleep quietly, but your sleep will likely be more restful. Sad to say, snoring is to blame for increased tension among many sleeping partners nowadays. However, this does not have to be the case in your household. Begin right away to implement the ideas and suggestions you have learned in this video, and return the peace and quiet to your bedroom. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.